Have you ever wondered how the internet actually works? How your phone connects to Wi-Fi, how companies protect their networks, or how data travels from one country to another in seconds? Behind all of this, there is one powerful skill: networking. And one of the best ways to start learning networking is through Cisco CCNA. Today, I'll explain why learning CCNA can be one of the smartest decisions for your career. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. It is a professional certification offered by Cisco, one of the biggest networking companies in the world. CCNA teaches you the basic and practical knowledge of computer networks. You learn about IP addresses, routers, switches, subnetting, VLANs, and routing protocols. You also cover wireless networks, security basics, and network troubleshooting. In simple words, CCNA helps you understand how computers, servers, phones, and networks communicate with each other. So even if you are a beginner, CCNA gives you a strong foundation to enter the IT world. The first reason to learn CCNA is that it builds a strong foundation for your IT career. Many people start with programming, cybersecurity, or cloud computing. But no matter which field you choose, networking knowledge is always important. If you want to become a cybersecurity expert or work in cloud computing, you need networking knowledge. Whether you want to be a system administrator or IT support specialist, CCNA is very useful for almost every IT career path. The second reason is job opportunity. Companies, banks, universities, and hospitals all need networks. And networks need skilled people to install, manage, secure, and troubleshoot them. After CCNA, you can apply for jobs like network support engineer, IT support technician, or junior network engineer. For freshers and beginners, CCNA makes your CV stronger because it proves you understand real networking concepts. The third reason is practical skill development. CCNA is not only theory. It teaches you real-world networking skills. You learn how to configure devices and troubleshoot problems. When an office internet goes down, a CCNA-trained person can identify the issue step by step. The fourth reason is that CCNA opens the door to advanced IT fields like DevNet, automation, or data centers. Think of CCNA as the foundation of a building. If the foundation is strong, you can build anything on top of it. The fifth reason is confidence. You no longer feel lost when someone talks about DNS, DHCP, firewalls, or VPNs. In today's digital world, every organization depends on networks. People who understand them will always be needed. Start learning today, practice regularly, and build your future in networking. Thank you for watching.